Welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we are addressing a common frustration faced by Vizio Smart TV owners. Vizio Smart TV remote not working. Picture this, you are settling in for a movie night, ready to relax and control your entertainment with ease, only to find that your remote is unresponsive. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this glitch and provide you with practical solutions to get your Vizio Smart TV remote back in action. Let's dive in and fix that remote issue together. Solution 1 was given by a Reddit user. He said,
I have had this same problem every few weeks with my older non-smart Vizio. I found a simple fix. I plugged my TV into one of my spare Casa smart plugs. Now I can turn it off with the Casa app on my phone. I wait until the logo light fades, and then turn the power back on with my phone. Then the TV works great for a few more weeks.
Solution 2. Check the batteries. One of the most common reasons for Vizio Smart TV remote not working is depleted batteries. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones. Ensure that they are properly inserted and that the positive and negative terminals match the marking inside the battery compartment. Solution 3. Power cycle the remote. If the batteries are not the issue, try power cycling the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote and press and hold any button for about 10 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then restart the batteries and test the remote to see if it's working again. Solution 4. Reset the remote. If power cycling doesn't help, you can try resetting the remote. Look for the reset button, usually located inside the battery compartment or on the back of the remote. Press and hold the reset button for a few seconds, then release it. Afterward, reinsert the batteries and test the remote to see if it's functioning properly. If none of the solutions work, it's recommended to reach out to Vizio's customer support for additional guidance. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.